Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Mix Pro. First, ensure you have all necessary components, including the Mix Pro unit, its power adapter, and any audio cables you plan to use. Before plugging anything in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various ports and controls on your device. This initial step helps prevent confusion later on and ensures a smooth setup process. Now, let's get physical. Begin by securely connecting the power adapter to your Mix Pro and then to a wall outlet. Next, attach your audio input sources, like a microphone or instrument, to the appropriate input jacks. Finally, connect your output devices, such as headphones or studio monitors, to the designated output ports. Double-check all connections to ensure they are firm. With the hardware connected, it's time for software. Install any required drivers for your Mix Pro on your computer, usually found on the manufacturer's website. Once installed, open your computer's sound settings and select the Mix Pro as your input and output device. Perform a quick sound check by playing some audio or speaking into a connected microphone to confirm everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. First, recheck all your cable connections to ensure they are fully seated. Next, verify your computer's audio settings and the Mix Pro's volume levels. Keeping your Mix Pro's firmware updated is also crucial for optimal performance and compatibility. These simple steps often resolve most common connection problems quickly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.